When people think of microbiology, a lot of people think of microscopes. To put it simply, microbiology is the area in which scientists study the microscopic forms of life. Hi, my name is Thomas Williams, and in this presentation I'm briefly going to cover viruses. We'll go over what they are, how they spread, what they're capable of in the body, and how to avoid them. Viruses are quite harmful, causing sickness or even possible death. Like the viruses that can infect computers, flu viruses can infect humans and animals. There are over 200 different types of strains of viruses that can cause the flu. Since we don't have a complete resistance to all types of strains, they become very common in the population, hence why they're called the common cold. Viruses are made up of DNA or RNA surrounded by a coat that protects them called a capsid. The structure of most viruses have appendages that allows for them to attach to the host cells. Upon this, they inject their own DNA into the cells, whereby copies are made of the virus. The copies then burst out of the cell, killing the cell in the process. Viruses are inactive when they're not in a host. However, they're able to use their capsid to protect them. Because of this, they survive on fomites, which is basically any non-living matter that's capable of holding any harmful microbes. These can be from pens to towels to even cutlery. Typically, viruses spread via airborne droplets when somebody sneezes or coughs. Chances are, if you pick up somebody's dirty tissue, you're most likely to catch their cold. So what happens when a virus infects the body? The immune system has protective responses. This includes, but is not limited to, producing white blood cells that fight the virus. The area site where this fight happens causes inflammation, which can be seen through the sore throat. In addition, the body can also release something called pyrogens, which tricks the brain into heating the body up, which can cause higher temperatures. Altogether, this huge battle that occurs uses up tons and tons of energy, which can make you feel tired or even headachy. That's why it's always important to rest, drink plenty of water, and see a doctor if any of the symptoms get worse. To avoid and reduce viruses from spreading or catching one yourself, always get vaccinated, as it increases the chance of your white blood cells from recognizing what's harmful and what's not. Also use tissues when you need to cough or sneeze, and throw them away when they're dirty. It is also very important to wash your hands with soap after you do this to reduce the chance of having microbes. To summarize, viruses are made up of DNA or RNA enclosed in a capsid. They can cause sore throats or higher temps, live on fomites, but to reduce this from ever happening, always wash your hands. Get plenty of sleep and water to help you get better in no time.